take that last step on the bench off onto the ice, there's screws. And I always tell them you got to step over that threshold because if they step on the metal screw, you know what I'm saying? The screws on the bench, that screws, you get all those blades real quick. It'll just put a nice little gouge in it. He's funny.
Time to go, move it. Come on.
Get it down!
Come on, Drew!
Uh-oh.
Got your twins taking each other out. Just like home.
There might be a fight on this ice, but it's probably going to be Dylan and Drew.
Nice.
Go, 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 go! Uh-oh, here we go.
Come on, Evan!
Oh, yeah! Oh!
Evan, get him, Evan!
Dylan, you're on the wrong side of the ice.
Pressure! Pressure!
Get it up.
I don't think we have like position at all.
Oh, look at you!
Good.
Oh, that was right there.
I don't think anybody would expect Dylan to play what supposed to be like. You know what I mean?
I don't know. I don't know.
100 twin powers.
Form of
Get in there, Ted!
Nice job, Mikey.
Man, who wanted that puck?
Front. Nice.
Oh, he's working it. He's working it.
Yeah, he's so foul. So guys, back up a little bit. Not good. He lost the net. I think
Our voices.
Let's go, Teddy!
I saw you look at me.
Teddy! Let's go! Oh, good try. He's thinking fast. Okay, get it there.
Come on, Scotty!
Pull it up, pull it up. Up the middle, up the middle.
There you go! Get it, Ted!
All right.
Wow, there you go.
One touch.
Nice.
Left curve. That was a nice ball. Damn, 1 inch. 1 inch.
needed.
He's trying to go bar down.
Icing.
Get down there, Mavs!
Right idea.
Yeah, that was a good shot. Game of inches.
So much that.
How about now?
I actually had the camera too the whole way.
Oh, did you get it?
I actually got it.
Battle.
Get there, Drake.
That's it.
Dylan working, huh?
Oh!
Nice.
Go, Dylan!
Go, buddy. Go. Look at the bosses. Go.
Get back on! Get back on! Oh, trip!
It's all right. Take it. Routine. There you go, Ted.
Nice pass! Nice pass!
Nice, Drew. Nice.
Get it.
want a goalie, you know, you're just trying to touch the puck. That happens to you. Working, Daniel.
There you go! Yeah. Look at him! Daniel, Tony! Tony! What you feed him today?
Anxious.
Evan's like, give her that.
Uh-oh. Come on.
Go, Brandon.
He's going. Oh, he got took his kid in there, Daniel. Good pass.
Right over there, right over.
You have a late night?
I'm glad that
Oh, yeah. I was like, what the hell? Shit, I lost Look how far back the G is. Oh, that big guy don't want to get burned. That's fine.
Go, Evan, go!
Ping pong. Deeper. Good drop.
Get back in there now.
Mouth, legs.
Go, Drake!
Nice, Mikey, nice!
Dump it deep.
Get him, Mikey!
Deep is right. Big boy. Oh, big boy. What?
He was offside. He took one. Drew. The first time he slapped at it, he figured it was going to be a jump. And then he took another whack at it, you know what I mean?
He kept it on the line. Oh, look at these guys.
Good job, Brooklyn!
Good job, Brooklyn!
Shoot the little boy back there. That's what I heard. We're on the horn.
Right there.
Horn plane.
Go, Mikey, go!
Give it to him. Oh, it's not caught with skates. Help him. Around this side. Get to the wall. Uh-oh.
Big shot.
Let's go, Maverick! Get another!
Yeah, so what? Not one person? I think the first one could have got it.
That went right next to his stick.
Yeah. He just looked at it. Let's go!
up, Tracy. Look at the folks. Good job, Drake!
Like I said, could be any worse than the other kids.
Daniel, get it.
How that stayed out. I'm angry about a lot of stuff.
There's always things he comes out. This is it. Instead of kicking the dog and everything.
Go, go. Give one outlet. Come on, give an outlet. Nice.
Oh, up top.
Big day.
The goalie, we got the goalie.
Got the goalie dress on.
Yeah. Check.
Number 20.
You got something. You got check. Get to the wall, somebody. Get there. Come on, Dylan! Stand your feet! Almost good, about 15 legs. What team is this? DC?
Bay County. Dragging out.
That's a right field.
Yeah, she's got to get down.
Right.
Jay, you got Jay right there.
Somebody. Oh, who did you throw?
Come on, Taylor, go.
Good boy, got big stick.
Point.
Point.
Cover.
Point's good. Over there, Jay. Why is he hitting people's sticks? That's like the third time. Normally it's an under game to that.
Come on, Dean. Kill this. Kill this penalty. Get it.
Don't let him down there!
There, boy, Daniel. Look at you. What's going on with it?
Yeah. Someone told him if you don't stay, you're gonna make the team. I guess.
I told Dragon.
He's getting his ball. So great.
I told Dragon you're walking home.
Okay. I think the Quentin thing you have to go over or something. That's how you remember.
I was late because I forgot I had great stuff. I thought I had all
Oh, yeah. Just get there before the game, right? Yeah.
that was way better.
50 outside, that's alright. Slow it down.
This game, I don't know, it's pretty good.
For fun, eh?
It's our dad. Go, buddy, go! Awesome. Daniel, look at that kid. Oh, you want to go there, huh?
More combo!
Messing my camera up. Like an earthquake on my camera. we're still short-handed?
Yeah.
Another 50 seconds?
That's a long ass power play.
He just the ref just turned his back
Dylan got tripped?
in the trip.
Very nice. Get out, get out, get out.
Use it. Let's go, Griff!
Let's go!
Nike stop skating?
Yeah, I feel like he just got break step for that.
Nice, Mikey, nice. Off the middle, off the middle. Nice, Mikey, nice.
It's obstruction. Hold the guy like that.
It didn't be there, is wrong.
Not gonna call that hold though? He's holding Mikey in that
Yeah,
corner.
he told him.
It was obvious.
I don't want to call nothing. They're on the bus.
Yeah.
Come on, dig.
Oh, whiffy. Two whiffies. He gets his own bag. He gets his own bag.
Go, Teddy, go.
Oh, that's
Use your knees.
Good job, Ted. Good shit.
Way to go, Powery.
Let's go, BC. Let's go, Mavericks.
Let's go, D&E. Nicey, nice. Nice, go squishy, go. Fire.
Went on just a little too long. You needed somebody to.
Get there.
okay. That's bad. Come on! Right to him. Oh!
Outlet, Craig. Nice, getting the knife.
You gotta put on some stick.
Good job, Craig. Good, Craig.
Hey, stick one of the puppy
set something up. There you go, Grip. Mikey puts him down.
Teddy, hit him. Go, Teddy!
Uh-oh, big boy.
Go, Brandon, go! Go, Brandon, go! Get down there!
Under that kid.
That was a good shot.
Had it. Boy played good. Way to get there, Jay! Muscle. Come on, Jay.
You got Drew just waiting right there to break out.
Yeah, get it home quick.
Nice!
Put the two hands on the damn stick.
No.
They're right there again. Oh, look at that guy. He's doing the second.
Spin around on him.
Spin-a-rama. That outlet pass, just can't get it.
There you go. Go, Drew, go!
10 minutes left, ain't enough. High and hard!
shot.
Nice shot, Scotty.
Yeah! Good shot, Drew.
Well side.
Way to go, Evan.
They've got long.
Well, we should have that.
Yeah. Go, 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 go.
Yeah! I'm not sure if I take it.
We got long.
Way to go, Drake.
We got long.
Good job, Brendan.
Let's get another ball.
Let's go.
Another one.
Get it, Dill! Come on, Dill!
Nice. Oh.
Get in, boys. There you go.
Let's get it.
Get on it,
Dylan,
Brendan.
get it.
Stay
Get
on
in
it.
there, Dylan.
Oh, he saw the play. He missed the puck. He saw the play.
Yeah.
He just missed the puck.
There's someone there in the center. Cool.
Yeah, he just missed the puck. He looked. He had his head up. Looked. He went like this. And he looked down. No, I forgot something. But he was trying to make a little play, so.
Back face off. One more.
There you go. Go get it.
Again.
Here he goes. Good shot, Drew. Get back, Todd. Mike, oh, it's Mikey.
Down goes Fraser. Down goes Fraser.
Come on, guys. Got to get that back side. Mikey. Got to get the kid on the back end. Back door. They're trying to back door us there.
There it is. There it is. Go. 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 Off the wall.
All right, get it out.
Oh, went off his stick.
Nice. There you go. Get it out.
That's my kid. That's my kid.
Go, Jaden!
All right, let's try it again.
There you go.
Try it again. Ah, come on.
Who's our left wing?
Come on, Drew. Dangle, dangle. Good jump by there.
Any slapper there.
Go, Mikey, go.
Come on, dude. Really?
He got it. He got it.
Relax. He got it.
He got it. Relax.
Relax.
Hey! Can't do that.
Guys,
Hey, keep it down or we're going to throw you out of here.
players. a little bit of a push. I think Daniel and Brendan were both there.
Need a better
Jake.
You guys look great job. Stick hands. Come on, guys, go after it.
Look, Drake.
That's a long way. He's giving everything he's got. Now he gets to there.
Give it to another player. To the D.
Come on, Jake.
Stick down! Stick down! Alright, put it back in now. Oh, Daniel's there. Daniel's there. Stick down, Daniel!
Oh man, that was good thinking there. He's like, I'm going after him.
Man, kid's got a bad
Where
man.
are you, Tony?
Daniel keeps sticking him everybody.
Get in a turkey.
That kid's lying.
Or a claim.
Good shot, Drew. Dylan. I got that on tape. You want that on your highlight reel?
Do it again. Nice.
That's how you do it. Open shot. Look at open look. Slide her over. Slide her over.
Now it's not there. Oh, you tried. Oh!
Come on, do it quicker.
Oh, not yet.
Good feet, guys.
Nice, nice.
Oh, he's going through that.
He knows the deal.
Oh, come on, Dill. Good point. Good point. Right there. Oh, he's out in the box now. They're working it a little bit. I like that.
Good movement.
More than one pass.
That's not offside? That's not offside?
It looks like he came out.
I thought I did too. Mine's been out there a long time. How is that not a trip?
They're going to keep doing it until he's out.
That was a quick little shot there.
Dude, he takes the ball out.
I don't know why he was going into the guy. Nice.
Yeah, he's really bored. Get it, Drew. Come on, Dylan.
Dylan's been this close.
Get there, Trey.
Good job, Brooklyn! Keep the lead. Is that penalty?
What is that?
I don't know.
What are you calling, Ralph?
I can't believe Dylan and Drew were out there.
Long hair.
I can't believe Dylan and Drew were out there. That was a long shit.
That was really.
Yeah. Well, what happened? Mikey? Is it Mikey?
Yeah, Mikey.
What did he do?
Okay.
Well, I like having the announcer.
Yeah, yeah.
At least you know what the hell's going on.
At least when they go over there, instead of just whispering in there and walk away. You gotta make the most.
Get it, E, get it.
Get back, Teddy.
Basically on the puck when he fell over.
Ice it, Scotty. There you go. Nice. Beat up some time, baby.
Nobody else there, Brandon. You gotta go get it.
Instead of playing too tight.
Come on, Brandon, get him.
Hang on, tie him up. 25 seconds till we get our fourth back.
Good job, Scotty!
Coach is desperately trying to get a line change.
There you go. Come on, Mikey!
Keep it rolling!
We got 20 seconds left of this puppy.
Play hard, Mavs! Come on, 20 seconds!
He's out there now.
Hey, you guys all put your stuff in the locker room?
Uh-oh. You got it.
Take the offside. Take the offside.
Check, good.
Ethan
Good,
lost
good.
it.
Okay, come on, Teddy, get in there.
There you go, Drew. Ice monster grabbed him there.
He's putting right.
Go, Drew!
Skate, Drew, skate!
Curve.
Good. He's going to play with the flat blade.
No curve.
No curve. He can go right or left handed.
Get up, Trey! Come on, boy!
Go, let's get a change. Let's get a change. There we go.
All right. We'll see if it works a little bit.
he had an open time.
Yeah, you just don't have to have no hustle.
You're with us, Scotty.
Scotty's working. Oh, the Malachi! Hayden, they gave him a lucky crutch.
Moving a little bit.
No, that hurt. I don't know if you got a stick in the stomach.
I need you your stuff.
This game, Blizzards. Good game, boys.